Alright guys, welcome back to today's vlog. But before you guys watch this video, make sure you guys pause this video, hit that subscribe button, and go down and hit that thumbs up, please. And for doing this, let's try to hit 100,000 thumbs up, alright? We are filling this bed of the truck full of Orbeez. What we're doing is we're getting a liner. We already got. We're make sure so the water doesn't get everywhere and it will just leak out. So we're putting the liner down, gonna tape it down, and then we're gonna put 1 million Orbeez, and then we're gonna put some water. And it's hooked up to our washing machine, so it's a little warm, so it's not freezing cold. So it'll be a little warmer. But yeah, let's do it. So, if you guys were wondering, what does 1 million Orbeez look like when it's all in one box? Here you go. 1 million Orbeez. Oh, last bag.
Oh, I get what you're doing. Oh, it's that guy that does, oh, I got you. Here are 1 million Orbeez. Oh my gosh. Now we lied, guys, this is really mini tricks. It's not Orbeez, it's mini tricks.
Yeah. You thought.
You thought. Oh my god.
Oh my god!
Break it up. Thank you for buying a truck. This is the only reason Rocco wanted a truck. We have to let these absorb overnight, so we're pulling it into the garage for a flat surface. Alright, we'll let these absorb over, I don't know, for the next few hours, dude.
Alright.
Get out. Oh my gosh! Dude! Woo! It's been only like 2 hours, guys. Look at this.
To 10.
You ready to get in these?
Yeah. Oh. jump in.
Go for it.
For belly flop. Ready?
You gonna belly flop?
Yeah.
I'll double check this.
Alright. You ready?
Yeah.
Good.
Woo!
Oh my god!
This is awesome!
Oh, you're trapped!
Oh my god, this is so satisfying! Dude, this is awesome. Angry people are like what, on the street?
Ah!
You guys, this is so awesome. So freaking fun. This is so fun. Okay, dude, we gotta get out of here, dude.
One front flip. Ready?
What?
So happy.
Oh my god, seriously? That was kind of cool.
No nuts.
Hard to keep on it.
Ready?
Tracking wasn't as quality as I was hoping. I thought I'd like try and keep up.
Ready? I can breathe under too.
That is so fun.
Get them out of your ears.
Yeah, they get in your ears and your nose. But
Okay, get out.
So
Seriously, I'm not kidding. These people are like,
they're jelly. They're jelly.
you guys got an Orbeez like stuck.
It is like so warm in there.
Is it?
Yes.
All right, we just got to get out of here.